Can you help me? Something went wrong. My package arrived today, but the item is damaged.
Oh, really? What happened?
I ordered a coffee maker. The box looked fine, but when I opened it, I found a crack.
I see. Did you check the whole item?
Yes, the side is cracked and it doesn't turn on.
Then you should return it.
That's what I want to do, but I don't know what to say.
Don't worry, you can keep it simple. First, explain the problem. You can say, "Hi, I'd like to return this item."
Hi, I'd like to return this item. That sounds easy.
Then explain what happened. You can say, "It arrived damaged."
It arrived damaged. Should I say anything else?
Yes, tell them what is wrong. For example, "The item has a crack," or "It doesn't work."
So I can say, Hi, I'd like to return this item. It arrived damaged.
Exactly. Then add the problem. "The item has a crack."
What if they ask for my order number?
That's very common. Just say, "Sure, here's my order number."
Okay, and what if I don't have it with me?
You can say, "Let me check," then look for it on your phone.
That sounds natural.
It is. You don't need complicated English. Just explain the problem clearly.
What if I want a replacement? I don't want my money back.
Then say, "I'd like a replacement, please."
I'd like a replacement, please. That's useful.
Yes, and if you want a refund, say, "I'd like a refund, please."
So I have two choices, a replacement or a refund.
Exactly. And there's one more useful question. You can ask, "Could you tell me how I can return it?"
That's helpful. I think I can handle it now.
Good. Take your order number and take a photo of the damage.
A photo?
Yes, it can be useful as proof.
Good idea. I'll take a photo now. Then I'll contact the store.
Perfect. Just explain what happened, be polite, and ask for what you need.
I took the photo. I also found my order number. I think I'm ready.
Great. Now contact the store. Keep your message simple.
What should I say?
Start with a greeting, then explain the problem. You can say, "Hi, I received my order today."
Okay. Then what?
Say what went wrong. "The item arrived damaged." Then explain the damage.
So I can say, Hi, I received my order today. The item arrived damaged.
Exactly. Then mention the order number. Say, "My order number is 45821.
Should I send the photo too?
Yes, that's a good idea. You can say, "I've attached a photo of the damage."
That sounds professional.
It does. Now tell them what you want.
I want a replacement.
Then say, "I'd like a replacement, please."
What if I want a refund instead?
Then say, "I'd like a refund, please."
Can I ask how long it will take?
Of course. You can ask, "How long will the replacement take?"
That's useful. What if they say I need to return the item?
That's normal. You can ask, "How can I return it?"
Or where should I send it?
Exactly. Both are useful.
What if they send me a return label?
Then you can say, "Thank you, I'll send it back."
And if they don't send one?
Ask politely, "Could you send me a return label?"
That's better than saying, send me a label.
Yes, "could you" sounds more polite.
I understand. I should be clear, but also polite.
Exactly. You don't need difficult English. Just explain the problem, then ask for a solution.
What if the store says, sorry about that,
You can simply say, "Thank you for your help."
and then wait for their instructions?
Right. Follow their instructions. Keep your order number and keep the damaged item until they tell you what to do.
That makes sense. I feel much more confident now.
Good. Now send the message.
Okay, I'm sending it now.
Mia, the store replied. They want me to return the item.
Okay, what did they say?
They sent me a return label. They also gave me a deadline.
That's good. Now you need to pack the item.
Should I use the original box?
If you still have it, yes, use it.
I still have it, but the box is a little damaged too.
That's okay. Just pack the item carefully.
What should I say after I send it?
You can say, I've returned the item.
What if I have the tracking number?
You can send that too. Say, here's the tracking number.
What if I want to know when they'll receive it?
Ask, when will you receive the package?
That's simple. What if the package is delayed?
You can contact them again. Say, the package hasn't arrived yet.
Okay, and what if they say they've received it?
Then ask about your replacement. You can say, when will I receive the replacement?
What if I chose a refund?
Then ask, when will I receive my refund?
Can I ask where the refund will go?
Yes, you can say, will the refund go back to my card?
That's useful. I paid with my card.
Then that's a good question to ask.
What if the refund doesn't arrive?
Wait for the time they gave you. If it doesn't arrive, contact them again.
What should I say?
Say, I haven't received my refund yet.
That's much better. It's polite and clear.
Exactly. You don't need complicated words. Just explain the situation.
I think I'm getting better at this.
You are. And remember, keep your receipt. Keep the tracking number too.
Good point. I'll keep everything until it's finished.
Exactly. You're almost done. Once the store confirms everything, you just need to wait.
What if they send me a replacement?
Check it when it arrives. Make sure everything is okay.
And if the new item is damaged too?
Contact the store again. You can say, unfortunately, the replacement is damaged too.
That's useful. What if I don't want another replacement?
Then say, I'd like a refund instead.
That's simple.
Yes, just be clear and polite.
What if I want to thank the store?
You can say, thank you for your help, or I appreciate your help.
I like that one. It sounds polite.
It is. Now let's review the most useful phrases.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'd like to return this item.
It arrived damaged.
The item doesn't work.
I'd like a replacement, please.
I'd like a refund, please.
How can I return it?
Could you send me a return label?
Here's the tracking number.
When will I receive my refund?
I haven't received my refund yet.
Perfect. These phrases can help you in a real situation.
Now I know what to say. I don't need difficult English. I just need to explain the problem.
Exactly. Stay calm, be polite, and clearly ask for what you need.
Thanks, Mia. You really helped me.
You're welcome. Now you can handle the return yourself.
That's true. I'll remember these phrases.
Great. Practice these phrases out loud. They'll become easier with practice.
Which phrase would you use first? Tell us in the comments.
If this lesson helped you, like the video. Subscribe for more real-life English lessons. See you next time.
Bye.